My people, you are welcome to another episode of Empress Kitchen. You know, that thing that I have been doing for some time now, learning how to cook so that what happened in 1962 will not repeat itself. Now, so one of my brothers now called me and said, Emperor, what are you doing? That what a woman can cook, a man can cook better. Whether it is true or not, today we are creating. There will be what we call the clash of the titans between Empress and our one and only Uncle Toks. So my people, today, you know that thing that they call the clash of the titans. Today, Uncle Toks and the Empress of the Empress Kitchen will be meeting face to face. We go see who sabi cook pass.
Hi, yes, about Empress Kitchen, and what I have before me is ugu, water leaf, then Caesar leaf, smoked fish, crayfish, one more, my favorite, and also goat meat in pieces, and a little pepper, and also goat meat, and iru, which is called locust beans. We're about to cook Edikaikong, a South special, and trust me, I'm going to win this battle.
Hi, Kai. Today in my kitchen. All right, let's go there. Àwọn Yorùbá máa ń pòwe kan. Wọ́n ní bí ikú ló lóko, bí ìtàkùté ni a máa mọ̀.
Oya, let's go. Okay, let's go.
It's happening in my kitchen. Oh, me and Uncle Toks. You know, here I've already added all the orishirishi inside the pot, and it's cooking. You just wait and see. We are coming.
For me, it's a battle. I've been cooking for 30 years, and I'm here to show that this is no joke for me. All right, I'm winning this contest. Bragging rights. Correct, 100%. I started with my palm oil and pomo and seasoning. And later on, I put the smoked fish, crayfish, the iru, that's the locust beans. And the reason I did that is I've learned over time cooking that whatever happens to the oil happens to me. So we want to give the oil as much life as you can give so that the entire meal can have a flavor via the oil. So that's my approach. Of course, later on I added the water leaf. Water leaf has a lot of water in it. So you don't want to start later on. You want to start immediately. So the water comes out as much as possible. You want to steam it out so that later on you can add your, ugu. Of course, I put the Caesar leaf because it's going to cook with it. And later on, I'll be adding my ugu to give it that slight crunchy taste that you get in Edikaikong. Watch out. Play.
So I started with palm oil. I added my locust beans, my onion, my seasoning. I added my seasoning in, then I started putting all my wishy, talking about the stockfish, the crayfish, all the fishes, just to give it this special and delicate taste. So, right now, in the next 2 minutes, my Edikaikong will be ready. Now, Daniel, my people for Hausa land, Damia.
Okay, when you talk about foods, it's not about what fills your stomach alone, but what satisfies your taste bud. So, cooking has to do with satisfying both your taste bud and your belly. Now,
I agree with you.
I grated my locust beans, and the reason is I don't want it to be seen in the meal. Some people don't like that. Talking about, they don't want to see in the meal, but they don't know they love the taste. I would have preferred to use okoriori, blue decks, ogiri, but I don't have that there, so I improvised by grating my locust beans to probably do that kind of food. Yes. Watch out. It's going to be ready in a few or in a bit, and trust me, I will love it.
My Edikaikong is ready. Oh.
This is the time to see whether what a woman can cook, a man can cook better. Me, I cannot wait. Everything is looking yummy. My Oga, I will not be the only one doing this project. Should I serve you or you want to serve let me serve you.
Thank you.
So, man, the way this thing is scenting, only Abiyamo. But how do you want it? Inside this plate, we have rishi. Oh Lord.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey. Oh Lord. Oga, calm down. I'll put it on this side. The cutting of this vegetable cell. There is obstruction. No obstruction. There is obstruction in this. I should not take too much. Hey, see, let me help you to move your back to this side. We will know which is which. I don't know who cooked this one.
Let's know who does it better.
Yeah.
Is it Uncle Toks?
Mr. Zerubbabel, you have to eat and eat. Oh la la.
This is fine. It's fine.
Is it this way? Is it proportionate now?
Yeah, we want to know
inside. Whether I put it on top or I put it inside, it's my mouth that will judge. Let's go there. I've washed my hand. Alright.
Yours is free. I don't know whose soup is on this side.
Wait, where did I take this one from? Which cooler?
From here.
There's the same thing.
Let me take from this side.
Calm down. Today is my enjoyment.
There is
Wait a moment. They're different. Different. Wait, where did I take this one from?
coming from here.
And
So I think this one is from where?
it's from here.
From here. Okay.
Yeah. No, this was the one that I served first.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's from here.
It's from
Okay. Yeah. I don't even know if I should keep eating the salmon or I should just be eating
The scoreline is tight. I don't know how to.
You know the truth of the matter is everything is sweet. Everything is sweet.
And
But
that's
this
why-
one is sweeter from my own side though. This one is sweeter.
That's why
Wow.
I'm saying the margin, the scoreline, the margin is tight, but
Imagine it's not really tight here.
I tasted this from here first, but tasting from here, I think is the difference is showing.
My oga. This one is sweeter, but everything is good. If I have all of this at home, I can never go hungry.
Well, so where do we start scoring? So that we don't finish the meal before.
For me,
Yeah.
I don't know how you want to score.
All right.
Any one of them,
Yeah.
na better food.
Sure.
Any one of them, na
Sure.
better soup.
You know, it's a cooking competition,
Yeah.
and Uncle Toks want to show us and our audience that what a woman can do, a man can cook better.
What's interesting for me is that actually 2 women could have given me this. I cannot say, oh, this is obviously what a man can.
Okay, yeah, of course, yes.
As a matter of fact, I can guess who cooked what. Yes. But this one is a bit spicy. This is a bit spicy. And my wife, Empress likes spicy. But this tastes better.
You know, you have been eating from Empress Kitchen and
Hey,
Empress.
wow.
And I'm doing it for the first time.
You should judge, though.
I'm doing it for
judge,
I'm doing it for the first time. My judgment, I think I would prefer the one from this side. It tastes different. While maybe because I took this one first, I don't know. I think I'm loving what I'm.
Me too. This is between these two chefs. The person that cooked this one, I think that is this cooler.
From this cooler.
Seems to be the winner.
Winner, which I think
But
Uncle
you
Toks,
know-
right?
But you know, because I will tell you,
Yeah.
this one is a little bit too cooked. And the taste, I cannot not go hungry with any of them. I cannot go hungry.
But can I
And
tell
now
you?
I'm afraid though. I don't know who cooked what. But actually, wait, let me go do. Empress will not do everything. This person is the winner. This one, but everything is good.
From your side. But from my side, I think I prefer what I'm saying from this angle. I would suggest a return match on another food.
What's the score? That is a draw. There will be a rematch. There will be a rematch in the future.